Hello. Today I'm going to share my épice recipe with you. Every Haitian recipe calls for épice. Well, let's say most Haitian recipe. If you follow Haitian cuisine, you know that this is a very important part of Haitian cuisine. This is how I make it. First, I put some parsley, and then I add some garlic, hot pepper, of course, habanero, thyme, onion, and any of these, if you don't like them, don't add them. It will not hurt. Bell peppers, scallions, and then to facilitate the mix, I add some oil. You can do olive oil or vegetable oil, and then I blend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, make a comment, tell me what you think, okay? If there is a recipe you want me to make, of course, let me know and I will gladly make it for you. That's it. Thank you.